with Chief Meteorologist Dylan Robichaud.
Today is, in fact, like you just heard, the 324th anniversary of the last major earthquake and tsunami here in Oregon. What evidence do we have of that? Well, let's shed some light here on the event. So again, a 9.2 magnitude earthquake, January 26, 1700. And this casted a massive tsunami of 50 to 100 feet tall. How exactly do we know that this event happened? Well, there's actually four key pieces of evidence. We have a submerged forest along the Oregon coast, so the coast dropped about 6 feet, and so the seawater rose. That's one piece of evidence. On the same day, though, in Japan, there's evidence of a distant tsunami. And then also carbon dating of fossilized plants also proves that this happened around that time. And the Native Americans wrote stories about a massive wave around that exact date too. So really everything kind of pinpoints towards January 26, 1700. Just crazy. And like you said, that will happen again. We don't know when, but it definitely will based on current data. All right, Coos Bay, we're looking at a really cloudy day out there for you guys. Same thing here up the road in Benton County. Hello, Eugene. Tracking showers for you guys. And man, it is going to be a wet one, not only tonight, but also going through the day tomorrow. Pockets of heavy rainfall here, and I'm definitely concerned about flooding along the Oregon coast, as we'll talk more about coming up in one moment. Let's get a look at the stormcast today. And there is one common denominator. I want you to look at where these heavy bands of rain set up. They are going to be right over Highway 101 in the Oregon coast. A lot of these showers are going to be the heaviest along the coast. You can see the darker greens, the yellows on the map. And then we do get a little bit of a break, if you want to call it that, around 10 a.m. on Saturday. 6 p.m. though, we continue to get the showers, and then things eventually move off to the east as we head towards Sunday morning. So Sunday is your dry day, and then things actually brighten up a bit by Sunday afternoon. Could be the very first time we see that thing in the sky called the sun in quite some time. Look at this right here. Rainfall. Man, through the end of the day tomorrow, we could be talking upwards of 4 inches for the Oregon coast. If this verifies, we will be seeing flooding along the coast, so be prepared for that going into tomorrow. 1.5 inches, 1.3 inches. You'll get some ponding on the roadways, but I'm really concerned about the possibility of flooding along the coast. And then it warms up. Look here at Sunday, Roseburg. I'm talking to you guys, 68 degrees before things come tumbling back down to the 40s here on Friday. Eugene, I'm going 65. That's our forecasted high on Sunday, and that will be our warmest temperature that we've had since the 4th of December. The jet stream is going to be way up here in Canada, and that's going to make a whirlwind of a difference here, bringing temperatures up as high as near 70 in some cases. The bad news, though, snow levels will be up about 8,000 feet, which could be problematic at times. All right, we dry up, though, for Monday and Tuesday, and then the showers are back just in time for Wednesday. Rain and wind on Wednesday. As we get towards late next week, though, temperatures cool down, snow levels come back down as well, as we'll be in the 30s across the Cascades by Friday of next week. And then the valley, we're looking at highs in the 60s for not 1, not 2, not 3, but for 4 days. And then we're back to the 40s by late next week.
You know, this weather during wintertime is giving me mixed signals.
Yeah, I mean,